I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, and today I'm going to talk about COVID-19 pandemic, my advice in this time of uncertainty. In these times of lockdown and staying home, I want to give you some positive advice. Some people think without their job, they're lost. They feel like flotsam in the tides of life and what is going on. You can get around that, okay? Just think about it. You have more than your job. You can still provide value in ways other than your job. This is a terrible global pandemic happening to all people. What we do not see in these times is that we are forced to other ways of living and making money. We are forced to consider what values we can provide other than being only at our job. With the structure of a job and the environment of the job area, people feel they're ineffective now. They feel unworthy and do not know what to do because they're home. They feel they do not have anything to add to society, which is not true. Please acknowledge that you are more than your job. You as a person has so much value to add to society, and in these times, this value is needed more than ever. The health fears, health issues, and the shortage of stock fueled by the media is what's driving this all, and people are finding themselves in a panic state. So let's think outside the box and look at what needed services you can offer to your society today. If you look around, revalue yourself, you will find that you can contribute more than you think. Rethink your purpose in this time and make a difference in society. In the light of this coronavirus and the people reaching out for help online, this is the time to support each other. As a healthcare consultant, I can contribute by setting out rectified information and keeping people from overreacting. I've made some information videos and I will be uploading them weekly. Click the link below the video for more information on how to make an income from home. Let's move on to the next important issue, ourselves and our body. As we can do nothing else, this is the time to stay strong and focus on ourselves. We should calm down and focus on what we know when it comes to a virus and take care of our immune system. My advice to you is to take care of yourself, not tomorrow, but starting today. Number 1, you want to work on simplicity and get enough sleep. Adequate amount of sleep makes definitely a difference in your immune system, and especially if it's compromised with any risk factors like hypertension, obesity, cardiac stress, and cardiac conditions. Let's work on that. Number 2 is to eat healthy foods. Make sure you eat properly. It's not surprising that what you eat impacts how well your immune system does its job. Number 3, things you have to do is exercise. You can do any movement and any exercise from home. No need to be in a big gym to do exercise. A 10-minute routine can improve your circulation, raise your body temperature, and boost your immunization system naturally. Number 4, dehydration is also compromising your immune system. Keep your immunity up by drinking plenty of water. to stave off infection. Staying hydrated helps your body naturally, eliminates toxins and other bacteria that may cause illness. So drink lots of water. Number 5. Finally, do not stress about this. I know this is not easy, but the only thing we can do now is to support our body and our immune systems. When we are stressed, the immune system's ability to fight off antigens is reduced. That's why we are more susceptible to infections. These 5 things we really need to address, and since we can do nothing else, we can work on ourselves and look for opportunities to support our society. I have added a link below about proactive steps you can take against coronavirus from Dr. Oz. Click the link and see what he says about our immune system. I just want to, throughout this scare, hopefully speak a little reason in people's lives. I want to say, calm down, see things for what they are. I'm not saying this is not a situation to be concerned about, but the behaviors I'm seeing are alarming. Knowing that the World Health Organization and their teams are in control of this, let's support them, take the actions we need to take, and know that you can provide values in ways beyond your job only. This is our time to found our passion and to figure out how you can support yourself and others and make money in a decentralized fashion online. If you lost your job, it's going to be hard for the time being, but do not take this as a defeat. Use this as an opportunity to figure out how to survive and make money from other sources. Also doing things that other people value. You never know. The things you love, other people might love too. Maybe a voice-over video, and so many more. Pursue that with a mindset of abundance, not scarcity. Knowing that you are qualified, knowing that you have value, and engage that with the idea to add value and to make money online. Watch my other videos where I explain more sources of income that you can use from home that can help you through this difficult time. Click the link below for more information about a proven, beginner-friendly source of income you can start today. I hope that this helps you to feel more assured that whatever happens, you will survive and be of value in these difficult times. From my side, stay healthy, stay home, and use your opportunities you have to the fullest. People will value you for what you contribute to society. Remember, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be the first to know when my next video is out. I hope this helped. See you in my next video.